Hi everyone, and welcome to Logicplier, the channel that explores the world of critical thinking and logic. Today, we're going to talk about one of the most fascinating organs in the human body, the brain. Here are 10 surprising facts you never knew about the human brain. The human brain contains about 100 billion neurons, which are the cells that allow us to think, feel, and experience the world around us. These neurons communicate with each other through electrical and chemical signals, forming complex networks that underlie all of our thoughts and actions. The brain is the only organ in the human body that has no pain receptors. This means that the brain itself cannot feel pain, even though it controls the pain responses of the rest of the body. The brain consumes about 20% of the body's energy, even though it only makes up about 2% of the body's weight. This high energy demand is due to the fact that the brain is constantly active, even when we're not consciously aware of it. The left side of the brain is often associated with logical and analytical thinking, while the right side is associated with creativity and intuition. However, recent research suggests that this distinction is not as clear-cut as once thought, and that both sides of the brain are involved in most cognitive processes. The brain produces enough energy to power a light bulb, even when we're asleep. This energy is generated by the firing of neurons and the maintenance of ion gradients across cell membranes. The brain can process information at a speed of up to 120 meters per second, which is faster than the speed of sound. This rapid processing speed allows us to react quickly to stimuli in our environment and make split-second decisions. Brain is not fully developed until a person's mid-20s, which is why young people may make impulsive decisions. The prefrontal cortex, which is responsible for decision-making and impulse control, is one of the last areas of the brain to fully mature. The brain can rewire itself based on experience, a process known as neuroplasticity. This means that the brain can change and adapt throughout our lives in response to new experiences and learning. The brain is more active at night than during the day, which is why we may have vivid dreams. During sleep, the brain consolidates memories and processes information from the previous day, leading to a state of increased activity. The brain can survive without oxygen for about 5 to 10 minutes before permanent damage occurs. This is because the brain relies on a constant supply of oxygen to generate energy and maintain cellular function. In the absence of oxygen, cells begin to die off rapidly. So, those are 10 surprising facts about the human brain. It's amazing to think about how this organ controls so much of our lives, from our thoughts and emotions to our memories and movements. Thanks for watching this video on the human brain. Be sure to subscribe to Logicplier for more content on general knowledge, interesting facts, current affairs, critical thinking and much more.